As Capitol Hill gets ready for the Trump impeachment trial, the Supreme Court's Chief Justice is also getting set for his center stage role in the Senate. John Roberts moving into the spotlight to preside over President Trump's impeachment trial, becoming the third Chief Justice in U.S. history to do so. But according to our own Pete Williams, the televised image of him seated in the presiding officer's chair will be a misleading one. He'll actually have little control over what goes on. So what can he control? Well, Pete Williams joins us now with details from outside the Supreme Court. So, Pete, when this trial gets started, perhaps as early as next week, what should we expect to see from Chief Justice John Roberts?
Not much is the simple answer to the question. I think the right way to think of his role here is really as master of ceremonies rather than a judge. Here's a key difference. In a trial, the jurors decide the facts. The judge decides the law, questions of admissibility of evidence, objections about questions to witnesses, and so forth. That's the judge's province. In the Senate, the Chief Justice, as the presiding officer, can make rulings on those. But then any senator can immediately call for a vote, and under the Senate rules, there is immediately a vote with no debate. So the fact is, the Chief Justice does not have the last word. The senators act as both conventional trial jurors and judges. They decide what the evidence will be. As a matter of fact, they'll resolve this question about whether there'll be any witnesses. So obviously, he has a role to play. One curious thing about impeachment trials is that senators themselves cannot ask questions of the witnesses or the managers, the prosecutors, or the president's defense lawyers. They have to write their questions down and submit them, and then the Chief Justice will read them aloud. So the fact is he will have some authority to control when it starts, when it stops, and so forth. But in terms of the substance of making the critical decisions about admissibility of evidence, he does not get the last word, Jeff.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.